have about a dozen or so clients that I don't have massive transformation photos to show you from 2025. And the reason for that is because they've lost pretty much all the weight they want to lose in previous years, 2 years ago, or 3 years, or 5+ years ago. They've done that. And since then, they've been essentially maintaining a really good physique and body composition and focusing on other goals now that they're really happy with how their body looks. So, in some cases, they're focusing on building muscle and getting stronger, or in other cases, they're focusing on performance, like improving their speed or stamina and endurance. Others are focused on mobility, flexibility, becoming more durable, right? Getting injured less each year, and just gradually improving body composition little by little as the years go on, as well as some people who are focused on improving specific health metrics maybe that they're keeping an eye on, like cholesterol or blood pressure, and various metrics. So while I don't have some crazy before and after photo to show you of these particular clients from just 2025, I do have them from 2018 or 2020 or 2022. And in my opinion, these are the clients that are in a position with their fitness and with their health that we should, again, in my opinion, that we should all strive to get to in our journey, which is a place where we are fully content. We're very happy with how our body looks, both in and out of our clothes, and year round, each year, year after year. Now, don't misunderstand me and think that I'm saying that you have to be the most shredded physique you're capable of building year round, because that's not true at all. Oftentimes, that's not sustainable to maintain long term. I can get down to 6 or 7% body fat for a men's physique show, but if I try to maintain that throughout the entire year, I'm going to be absolutely miserable. However, I'm able to maintain somewhere in the range of a 10 to 12% or 10 to 13 or 14% body fat percentage range year round, year after year. And even at 13 or 14% body fat, 15% body fat, I'm very happy with how my physique looks and how my body looks. And these clients that I'm talking about are in a very similar position. Year round, they are happy with how they look and feel. And because of this, it's then easier to focus on other goals and parts of the fitness journey and health journey that you might have not otherwise focused on if you were really unhappy with how you look. So they've successfully gotten to a place where it's not just about aesthetics, but that they can branch out and have a wider range of a routine and mindset when it comes to fitness and health. Now, unfortunately, the vast majority of people never get to this position in their fitness journey. Most people are on this constant cycle of losing weight and gaining it back, losing weight and gaining it back. And for that reason, they're essentially always in this mindset of wanting to lose more weight or trying to lose more weight. So it's like indefinitely, they're just always trying to be restrictive with eating and always trying to get leaner and lose more. And a main reason for this is because they don't actually do a structured fat loss phase that has a clear timeline to it, a clear plan, and is done in a sustainable way so that they can lose the weight they want to lose, no matter how long that takes, whether it's a 3 month phase or whether it's a 6 month phase or even a 12 month phase, so that they can lose all the weight they want to lose in a sustainable way and actually be able to maintain it. And then properly transition out of the fat loss phase into a maintenance phase or a muscle building phase or some other phase that's more sustainable, because you can't always be in a fat loss phase for your entire life. You can't be living life in a calorie deficit. Now, I'm making this video right around New Year of 2026. Regardless of when you're watching this video, keep this in mind when you're starting a New Year's resolution, or when you're starting a new program, or when you're starting a new weight loss journey. Are you going to go for the option that is promising quick fixes? Are you going to go for the option that sounds too good to be true, that says you can lose weight very, very fast with little to no effort? Because typically those are the approaches and the mindset, the quick fix mindset, that leads to yo-yo dieting, and that leads to being in the same spot a few months later or 6 months later or a year later, again trying to lose that same amount of weight again? Or are you going to take a different approach this time? Are you going to take an approach that's more sustainable, that's more calculated, that's more structured? And that's what I do with my clients. It's my main concern when working with clients and new clients and old clients is that they are better off with their fitness and with their health a year from now, or 2 years from now, 3 years from now, because that means we're making it a lifestyle. We're doing it in a sustainable way. And that's really the golden ticket, right? We want to be better off with our fitness and with our health and with our body composition a year plus from now. Otherwise, if you're not, what you're doing isn't really sustainable. It doesn't matter if you lose 20 pounds or 30 pounds or 50 pounds if you end up gaining it back within a year. It literally does not matter. That means it did not work. If you lost 20 or 50 or 100 pounds and you gained it back, all of it, it did not work, because it means you're not better off a year later. Now, if you've tried to lose weight before, maybe you have lost weight before and you've taken various different approaches or diets or programs, and you feel like this is kind of you, where you're ending up in the same spot, never really gaining any noticeable amount of momentum from one year to the next. And if you like the idea now of doing something different, doing a proper fat loss phase that has a timeline drawn out to it, that is structured, that is very calculated and predictable, that where we can help you lose anywhere from half a pound to 2 pounds of body fat per week consistently. And most importantly, it's designed to have your long term interests in mind so that you are better off a year from now and 5 years from now. I encourage you to apply for my Modern Man coaching program down below. You can fill out the form and let me know all the details about what you're looking for, what your goals are, and we can see if this is something that would work for you and something that you might want to consider. And if you're not ready to work together just yet, I'll leave some free resources down below as well that you can click the links to and get some really guided hands-on help with both your nutrition and your training. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, consider subscribing, because I make new videos just like this every single week. And if you are trying to lose body fat in 2026, I'm going to leave this video for you up here that I think will really help you get started doing that. So I will catch you over there.